A really powerful, really moving body of work being compiled there. You'll see Alexis has joined us on the sofa. There's a weather warning tonight.
There is. Well, it's for tomorrow daytime, so between 6 o'clock tomorrow and midnight tomorrow night, we've got some rain forecast. And the warning is actually for areas north of Berkshire. So, yeah, I'll talk about that in the forecast. But this week is fairly mixed. Weather-wise, we are looking at some rain at times, and we are actually needing that rain because it's been quite dry for some time. John and Jean took this picture of the cloudy skies today in Selsey. Thank you.
Deb Heath captured a deer in Overton. Thanks, Deb.
And Lisa Whedon photographed the sunny spells at Portland Lighthouse. Today we had widely quite a lot of cloud, but there were some bright and sunny spells. Tomorrow there will be some bright and sunny spells as well, but also a lot of cloud with some outbreaks of heavy rain. I'll talk about that in just a second. This fairly cloudy scene was photographed today in Henley-on-Thames by one of our weather watchers. So through this week we'll have quite a lot of cloud at times, rain at times as well, some dry and sunny days as well. Overnight tonight, that's when we start to see the rain arrive. It could be quite heavy and persistent during the early hours of the morning. A fair amount of low cloud is expected, so quite murky conditions overnight tonight. And temperatures will range between 12 and 16 Celsius for the Isle of Wight, so quite a mild night to come. Here's the weather warning I've been talking about. Areas north of Berkshire. In this weather warning area, there is a chance of some flooding. Elsewhere, we will still see torrential downpours during the day tomorrow, and those will move their way slowly northwards, creating some flooding in a few places and then gradually clearing most areas with a few showers to follow. Drier spells will develop and maybe some sunny spells as well, particularly for southern coastal counties. Temperatures tomorrow will peak at around 20 to 21 Celsius with the fairly light winds. So on the inshore waters tomorrow, the winds are variable, 3 or less, becoming north or northwesterly 2 to 3. That's from Selseyville to Lyme Regis from midday tomorrow until midday on Wednesday. Through the course of tomorrow night, the rain will gradually ease. We'll have clear skies at first, then a lot of low cloud and some mist and fog will develop during the early hours of Wednesday morning. And it's another mild night, lows ranging between 12 and 15 Celsius. So a lot of cloud to start the day on Wednesday, but it will start to thin and break to allow for some bright and sunny spells during the day. Maybe the odd isolated shower for eastern parts courtesy of this weather front, and low pressure is not far away. So unsettled conditions, but generally a mainly dry day on Wednesday with some bright and sunny spells, and also a mainly dry day on Thursday, although there will be a good deal of cloud around at times, but it should be mainly dry as well. What light winds through the course of this week. Friday, the possibility that there may be some rain for some areas as we head through the afternoon. That rain band moving eastwards and gradually dying of death. Over the weekend, mainly dry on Saturday with some sunny spells, and then Sunday, the chance of rain with some sunshine at times as well. Alan.
Alexis, thank you. Don't miss tomorrow's programme when we'll be catching up with 80s pop legend Rick Astley, who is back on the road and he's headed our way. Thanks for your company tonight, meantime. That's it. We are back with our late news at 10:25 here on BBC One. Do join us again then if you can. And in the meantime, have a great evening. Do you remember Rick Astley?
Yes, sort of. Yes, of course I do.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.